How to fix add music to status not showing on WhatsApp in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your app store and then search here WhatsApp. Now check your WhatsApp update. If it doesn't update your WhatsApp, then update your WhatsApp. After update your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now click on WhatsApp and here you can offload your WhatsApp app. After offload it, then click on reinstall app. After reinstall your WhatsApp app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.